Mnangagwa eyes UN Security Council seat amid Zimbabwe's domestic turmoil. The 11th of September 2025, by a correspondent, President Emmerson Mnangagwa on Wednesday launched Zimbabwe's campaign for a non-permanent seat on the United Nations Security Council UNSC for the 2027-2028 term, pledging to advance global peace and security. Speaking at the launch in Harare, Mnangagwa said Zimbabwe would prioritize silencing the guns and driving anti-terrorism efforts, adding that the campaign was not only for Zimbabwe, but for the African continent as a whole. He appealed to UN member states for support, noting endorsements from SADC, the African Union, and other countries. Our campaign will be anchored on advancing 21st century solutions for global peace and security through multilateralism, Mnangagwa said. Elections for the seat are scheduled for June next year. Zimbabwe previously served on the UNSC in 1983, 1984, and again in 1991, 1992. Despite Mnangagwa's pitch, the campaign has drawn skepticism from political analysts and civil society. Critics argue that Zimbabwe's domestic crises undermine its credibility on the global stage. How can Zimbabwe credibly promote peace and security globally when at-home citizens face hyperinflation, political repression, and persistent human rights violations? One analyst questioned. Observers also pointed to Zimbabwe's strained diplomatic relations and governance failures, warning that the campaign risks being dismissed as symbolic rather than substantive. The government is seeking prestige abroad while failing to address urgent economic and social issues at home, another commentator noted. Analysts say while Zimbabwe's ambition to rejoin the Security Council reflects its desire to reassert itself diplomatically, the campaign will be closely scrutinized against its domestic performance. Winning a seat may be possible with regional backing, but wielding meaningful influence requires credibility. A Harare-based political scientist observed that credibility must start with good governance and accountability at home.